Hey there, food adventurers. Ever wondered what happens to that yummy pizza after you take a bite? Get ready for an amazing journey through the human digestive system. Imagine each bite as a ticket to a thrilling adventure inside your own body. From the moment you chew, you're embarking on a wild ride that transforms your food into energy and nutrients. So buckle up, because this is going to be one tasty trip. Picture this. Your mouth is like a fun factory where food gets mashed and mixed with special juices called saliva. It's like turning your food into a tasty water slide. As you chew, your teeth are the workers, breaking down each bite into smaller pieces. Saliva, the magical juice, starts to break down the food, making it soft and slippery. This is where the adventure begins, as your mouth prepares the food for its exciting journey ahead. Next stop, the esophagus. This stretchy tube is like a super cool roller coaster that sends your food zooming down to your tummy. Hold on tight. The muscles in the esophagus work in waves, pushing the food down smoothly. It's a one-way ticket to your stomach, and there's no turning back. Feel the rush as your food travels through this amazing tunnel, ready for the next stage of digestion. Welcome to the stomach, the mixing bowl of your body. Here, food gets churned and burned with powerful acids. It's like a science experiment in your belly. The stomach muscles mix the food with digestive juices, turning it into a thick soup. These acids break down the food even further, preparing it for the nutrient-absorbing journey in the intestines. It's a bubbling, fizzing process that transforms your meal into something your body can use. Time for the small intestine, a twisty-turny tunnel where your body absorbs all the good stuff from your food. It's longer than a football field. Can you believe it? The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny, finger-like structures that grab nutrients and send them into your bloodstream. This is where the magic happens, as your body takes in vitamins, minerals, and energy. It's a winding path that ensures you get all the benefits from your meal. Finally, we reach the large intestine, where water is sucked up like a giant sponge. What's left becomes, well, you know. The large intestine absorbs water and turns the remaining waste into a more solid form. This is the final stop before your body says goodbye to what it doesn't need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome body adventures. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing things your body can do.